Stop. Before you go to Disney World, you need to hear this, because every single day, thousands of guests make the same mistakes and cost them hours and honestly, hundreds of dollars. I'm talking missed rides, insane food lines, and moments that completely ruin the day. But today, I'm going to give you 5 small secrets that completely changes your trip. And number 5, this one can literally save you money on the spot. I'm MJ, and this is Inside the Castle. And if you want to actually enjoy Disney instead of feeling overwhelmed, these are the secrets you need to know before you go. Secret number 1. The biggest mistake guests make? They show up right when the park opens. You see 9 a.m., so you arrive at 9 a.m., and you're already behind thousands of people. But here's what actually happens. The crowd's already inside, the lines are already forming, and your first ride, you're waiting 60 minutes minimum. Now here's the fix. You need to be there 30 to 45 minutes before the park opens. This is called rope drop, and it's everything. If you're staying at a Disney resort, you get early entry. That means you're in before everyone else. And this window, this is where Disney feels empty. You can knock out a major ride like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or Slinky Dog Dash at Hollywood Studios with almost no wait. Miss this window, and you're playing catch up all day long. Secret number 2. This next one is so simple, but almost no one does it. So when people enter the park, they naturally go right. It's just human behavior, which means the right side gets packed fast. So what do? You go left every time. At entrances, at forks, at big hubs, you'll find shorter lines, less people, and sometimes rides are basically walk-ons. And here's the crazy part. Saving 10 minutes here and 15 minutes there, that adds up to hours by the end of the day. Secret number 3. All right, picture this. It's lunchtime, you're starving, and so is everyone else. Lines are wrapped around the buildings. People are standing in the heat, waiting 30, sometimes 40 minutes just to order food. That is one of the biggest time wasters in Disney. Here's the move. Mobile order. But not the way most people use it. The pro move: order your food while you're still in line for a ride. You're already standing there anyway, so instead of scrolling on your phone, open the app, pick your food, set your time, and then the second you get off the ride, boom, your food is ready. You walk straight up, skip the line, and eat. That one trick alone can save you hours over the course of your trip. Secret number 4. If you're bringing a stroller, listen to this, because this happens all the time. You park your stroller, you go on a ride, you come back, and it's gone. Instant panic. But here's what's really happening. Cast members are constantly moving strollers. They reorganize them to keep walkways clear. So your stroller isn't stolen, it's just relocated. Now here's the real tip. Make your stroller easy to spot. Bright ribbon, tag, something noticeable, because when you come back, it's going to be sitting in a completely different spot, and they all look alike. And one more thing, never leave valuables inside them. Secret number 5. All right, this one feels like a Disney hack, but it's actually real. Let's say your kid drops their ice cream, or that brand new bubble wand breaks, or a balloon flies away. Most people do this. They immediately go buy another one, but here's what you should do instead. Find a cast member. Politely explain what happened, because Disney has something unofficial. They will often replace small items like that for free. Snacks, simple toys, even balloons. Now, it's not guaranteed every time, but more often than not, they'll take care of you. In that one moment, it can completely save the mood of your entire day. So if you take anything from this video, it's this. Get there early, go left, order food ahead, don't panic over your stroller, and always ask before you rebuy something. If you do that, you're already ahead of most people in the park. And if you want more real Disney secrets like this, hit subscribe. And I'll see you inside the castle.